Hi, in front of me is OPPO F19 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Password and Security. Sorry, misclick. Then tap on Manage Passwords and tap on Google. Finally, click on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Then click on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!